Well, hello. Did you know that you can regrow 10 crops that you use in your kitchen? And here they go in no particular order. Number one is lettuce. All you have to do is, once your lettuce is cut, put the stalk into water and it will allow it to grow. And once it starts to grow, plant it into some soil and you'll have more lettuce. Number two is potatoes. With potatoes, all you have to do is cut them into small chunks. As long as you have an eye, place the potato in some sunlight before you plant it to let it harden, and then bury it into some dirt and water it, and you'll have unlimited supplies of potatoes. Number three is you can regrow spring onions. Number four, celery. Just like lettuce, the same procedure. Number five, it's beet tops. So if you eat beets, try it out. Number six, you can regrow carrots. Number seven, you can regrow onions. Number eight, if you eat leeks, you can regrow leeks. Number nine, if you eat bok choy, you can regrow some bok choy. Number 10, sweet potatoes. Just like potatoes, the same method. And as a bonus, you can also grow certain types of herbs. Out of these 10 things that I mentioned, what have you tried? And let me know what you have experienced. And what I left out, leave it in the comments box below.